Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby on Rails. Today we are going to learn about the callbacks. So what do you mean by the callbacks? In the Ruby on Rails, callbacks are the methods that are called at the certain moments of an object's lifecycle. They are used to run the code before or after specific events such as saving, updating or destroying a record. Callbacks are useful for handling tasks like data validation, setting default values or triggering actions based on the changes to a model. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Before callbacks, so what are the type of callbacks? Before, after, around callbacks. So before means by the name, run before any event occurs. After callbacks, run after an event occurs. Around wraps around an event, allowing you to run the code before and after the event. Common callback methods, here we have some methods. Before validation, run before the model's validations are performed. After validations, run after the model's validations have been performed. Before save, after save. Before create, after create. So runs before a new record is created, runs after a new record is created. Okay, so we have the before create, after, before update, after update. So this kind of callbacks we can use whenever we do the most of the changes. Like you can say about the observers, it could be like this: before destroyer, after, around save, around create, around update, around destroyer. Okay, so how we can define in our model? So here we have the before validation, normalize the name. Okay, so before validation we have normalize the name. So we have create the function callback methods to be private. Okay, and after say before create, so all of these are, we have set the default role or something. So here, this is how we can define one. Okay, so after the save I want to trigger the mail. Okay, so after save, send the welcome email. So whenever there is a record is saved, then I will try to make it out like this. Okay, or I can set the default role after the save or before the save. Log deletion, so I will do like this. Okay, callback orders, so callbacks are executed in a specific order: before callbacks, before validation, before save, before create or before update. After callbacks, after validation, after save, after create or after update. Around callbacks, around save, create, update and destroy. Okay, so conditional callbacks you can also use. So here you can see that whenever we do the before save, check active status. So you check if it is active, so perform some action if the user is active, right? Or define the active status should be active. Okay, skipping callbacks, you can also skip the callbacks with the help of this: set the default role unless skip default row, at the rate skip default row. Okay, so this is how you can do that. You can also set the skip default row to be true to skip the callback. Okay, so here you can see that user dot new instance variable skip default row to be true and save the user. Okay, so here you can see that after create, log new user. So whenever there is a create a record, log the new user will puts a new user was registered. Okay, so if I just do with this one, let's go to the code base and let's use any of the model. I think we have products model where we have the validations. Okay, so let's use this one. This is user, I need to make it product. Users we have, no, we have product. If I make it like product, okay, so after the create, logs new user. Let if I do with the, you can say about the Rails console, what will happen? Shall we check Rails console? Okay, so Rails server first, or we can Rails console. Okay, we have the console now. Let's try to create a record in the product. Okay, so I think we have already the console. Maybe it will come over here. So let's try to make it up this like product 2. Price would be the same. Okay, let's try to do it. And here you can see after creating a record, a new user was registered. Okay, so here you can see that the callbacks has been called. Okay, So here we go with this one. They have private log new user. After create, put this log. After create, do a email registration email, whatever you can do with the help of this callbacks. Make sure you have the proper function over here, and whatever you want to perform the action you can do. Okay, so this is the use of the callbacks. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.